Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a feature on our fitted bassinet sheets and multi-use change pad covers. These are so completely versatile and so multi-use that I have been using them for so many things, and I wanted to show you exactly what you can use them for because there are so many different ways you can use these fitted sheets. So behind me here I have it set up on 3 different stations, and I'm going to show you just some of the ways you can use our bassinet and change pad cover sheets for your baby. Okay, so the first one here is our Alaska grey. That is on our traditional change pad mattress of any form in this sort of shape. It fits most styles in the rectangle shape. And we now have a lounger, so a sleep lounger. This is the bronze, which fits it perfectly as well. Moving on to the Oleella basket, so any type of Moses / basket, our change pad cover fits all these sorts of shapes. It fits the 3 Little Crowns vegan leather mattresses and also the oval mattresses that go in the Oleella basket. Now, if you're going to use it as a fitted bassinet sheet, it does work on all different shapes. So it will work on a traditional rectangle bassinet. It'll also work on a round bassinet, like the cocoon nest, which is what I have at home downstairs for Levi's cot, and I'm going to show you exactly how well that works. And it also fits on an oval bassinet as well. And I also have the Sacred Bundle bassinet upstairs, and I'm going to show you exactly how it fits on that. Okay, so here we have the Sacred Bundle Bell bassinet. I use this upstairs and it is an oval shape. This is one of the largest sizes on the market, so I just wanted to show you just how well our fitted bassinet sheets fit the oval shape. I've currently got the rain on here at the moment with our warm grey diamond knit blanket. Okay, so this is the nest cocoon, and I'm going to show you how well it works on a completely round mattress. So, fits perfectly. Now, the reason why it's able to work on all these shapes is because it is a jersey cotton. It's stretchy and it will manipulate with the shape of the mattress without moving or gathering. It will pretty much stay like that until ready to be washed. And finally, one other use is a mattress cover for your pram. Now, I like to put an extra layer on my mattress to protect the underlay, and it actually is a super cute little accessory. So there you have it. I have just shown you how to use our fitted bassinet sheet and change pad covers 7 different ways. If you have any questions at all about this product, please drop them below and we'll be sure to answer your questions.